Linode Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a reliable cloud hosting platform, Linode promises speed, scalability, and flexibility, but is it the right choice for you? One of the biggest pros is performance. Most people get this wrong by assuming all cloud providers are equal. Linode uses storage and high-performance processors, delivering fast load times for websites and applications. Whether you're hosting a small blog or a complex app, the servers are optimized for consistent uptime. Another advantage is scalability. Linode lets you easily upgrade or downgrade your resources based on traffic or project demands. With a variety of instance types, you can choose exactly what you need and pay only for what you use. This makes it ideal for startups, developers, and businesses with fluctuating workloads. The platform also provides a robust control panel. You can manage servers, deploy applications, and monitor resource usage with ease. API access and automation tools give developers the ability to streamline operations and integrate Linode into custom workflows. However, there are cons. Linode is primarily geared toward users with some technical knowledge, so beginners may find setup and server management challenging. While customer support is helpful, there is no traditional phone support, which can be a drawback for urgent issues. Some features available on competitors may require manual setup on Linode, adding to the learning curve. In conclusion, Linode is a powerful cloud hosting solution for developers and businesses seeking performance, flexibility, and scalability. The surprising truth is that while it offers high value and control, it's best suited for those willing to invest time in learning the platform and managing servers efficiently. For anyone serious about cloud hosting with a balance of speed, customization, and affordability, Linode delivers strong performance, but make sure you're comfortable with some hands-on management to fully benefit from its features.